Okay, gang, I'm going to do another one in the exact area. I didn't realize I was sticking the delta on. You could just call this guy x sub I. If you happen to call it delta x, it's fine, but it's the guy that goes in here. It's the x sub I. So I erased it from here. Okay, so again, you want to calculate delta x first. So that's the endpoint of the interval over n. Then you want to calculate x sub I. So that's the start point plus delta x times I. And now I'm just going to put all that in here. So x sub I we have as I over n times delta x, which is 1 over n. Okay, now you're going to plug this into the function. So the function is this time. So I over n goes where the x is. You square it, and then you add 2. Right, that's this part, and now multiply it by this part. Alright, you're going to, this, first of all, you have to recognize that's I squared over n squared when you square it, and then you have to distribute in the I over n. Alright, so this is me distributing in the 1 over n. Now I'll break it up in its sigma notation. Hold on, I said I was going to break. So remember, I is the variable for sigma. The n's are you can think of them as like constants. Okay, now I'm going to replace it with the formula. Okay, I squared n plus 1 to n plus 1 over 6. And then constant is a c times n, or 2n. So remember, I'm just getting that from, I grabbed this one and this one. Alright, let's see what else here. Let me just reformat that. Alright, now we're going to use the limit rules when this goes to infinity. If I multiply the first parts together, this is this times this times this is 2n cubed. That would be like, if you FOILed everything out, the first term would be 2n cubed. So now as we go to infinity, they're equal in degree, so it's the ratio of the coefficients. Same thing over here, it's the ratio of the coefficients. So you have 1/3 plus 2, or 2 and 1/3. You can write it as 7/3 if you prefer. Okay, and then you guys can do that quick check that I was showing you how to do if you want. So this is the answer. And if you just want to check yourself, you can do the integration from 0 to 1 of x squared plus 2 dx. You integrate it. No plus c because it's a definite integral. Upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, so we're good. 2 1/3 and 2 1/3. Alright gang, catch you. Bye bye.